In God's family, there are no outsiders, no enemies. The universe can take quite a while to deliver. We are made for loving. If we don't love, we will be like plants without water. Be nice to the whites. They need you to rediscover their humanity. Hate has no place in the house of God. Though wrong gratifies at the moment, good yields its gifts over a lifetime. But just as we do not forgive for others, we also do not forgive for God. I wish I could shut up, but I can't, and I won't. We learn from history that we don't learn from history. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act despite it. Dear child of God, I am sorry to say that suffering is not optional. God is not a Christian. I think that most of us would prefer to be popular than unpopular. Don't raise your voice, improve your argument. Exclusion is never the way forward on our shared paths to freedom and justice. Without forgiveness, there's no future. To forgive is not just to be altruistic. Europe became rich because it exploited Africa, and the Africans know that. If you want peace, you don't talk to your friends. You talk to your enemies. Forgiveness says you are given another chance to make a new beginning. To protect our children, we must talk to them about rape. We inhabit a universe that is characterized by diversity. I am a leader by default, only because nature does not allow a vacuum. Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all of the darkness. We would like to see you departing peacefully. It's a blessing that South Africa has a man like Nelson Mandela. Freedom and liberty lose out by default because good people are not vigilant. It is our moral obligation to give every child the very best education possible. My humanity is bound up in yours, for we can only be human together. But God can only smile because only God can know what is coming next. Many people would be surprised that, in fact, I'm quite shy. Peace always comes to those who choose to forgive. The price of freedom is eternal vigilance. When your dreams turn to dust, vacuum. God is not a diversion.